Hey, are you following my ex?
What? No, why? Why will I follow your ex?
Bro, not my ex, my ex profile.
What? Are you into porn or something, dude?
Ever since Elon Musk has assumed control of Twitter, the platform has undergone quite a few drastic transformations. After firing a lot of employees, now it's the turn of the bluebird to get fired. It's now been replaced by X. Now let's take a closer look at some of the notable changes that have occurred at Twitter ever since Elon Musk took over. One of the most significant alterations was the introduction of Twitter Blue, a move that caused considerable stir in the Twitterverse. The traditional blue badge of legacy verification was replaced by a paid verification system, causing many to raise concern about security and others to mourn the loss of their cherished blue badge. In yet another surprising twist, Twitter subsequently rolled out gold and silver ticks to distinguish brands and government figures respectively. However, the microblogging site made an unexpected U-turn and reintroduced blue ticks to celebrities, enabling them to publicly endorse their authenticity. Musk's decisions have not been without controversy. Among the moves that sparked outrage was his decision to reinstate some high-profile accounts that were previously suspended by the previous management. Among the reinstated accounts were individuals like Ye, formerly known as Kanye West, who faced accusations of sharing anti-Semitic content, influencer Andrew Tate, who found himself incarcerated in Romania on human trafficking charges, and former US President Donald Trump, accused of instigating the Capitol Hill riots. Musk also faced heavy criticism for implementing mass layoff at Twitter shortly after assuming control. Nearly half of the workforce was let go in a cost-cutting measure, and Musk's ultimatum to employees through a mail stating that they needed to be extremely hardcore and deliver exceptional performances added to the controversy. Amidst all the changes that are taking place on the platform and within the company, Twitter's advertisement business took a hard hit. Musk revealed that the ad revenue had plummeted by nearly 50% earlier this month. Even before the takeover, Twitter was facing challenges in converting its popularity and influence into profitability, resulting in negative cash flow and a burden of heavy debt, as highlighted by Musk. To counter these issues and to explore new revenue streams, Musk has delved into realm of payment and commerce on the platform. Now, Elon Musk's vision for an everything app would mean that there would be a peer-to-peer transaction, which would mean that this social media platform would also facilitate payment in the future. Twitter's daily active user count stands at an estimated 200 million, but since Musk took over, the platform has experienced some technical hiccups as he fine-tuned various aspects, including For You and following tabs. However, Twitter is not without competition. Meta recently launched Threads, a text-based platform connected to Instagram, which has already garnered around 150 million users according to the estimates. As Musk gears up to change Twitter's name and logo, many influencers have declared their intention to abandon the platform. This marks another wave of people exiting Twitter following the initial exodus that occurred after Musk's takeover. Musk has already bestowed the title of X Corporation upon Twitter's parent company. With a touch of quirkiness, he has invited the Twitterverse to come up with a worthy X logo, teasing that if it's good enough, they will launch it worldwide the next day. He envisions the new emblem to embrace an Art Deco style, and in this exciting new identity, a post on Twitter will be referred to as an X.